Everyone wants to be in the know. And this month, we have some very special things planned just for you.
Welcome to Career 360. Whether it's your first visit or your 360th, you're in for a treat. Now let's dive into another fantastic feature, Build Career Skills. Here's how you can make the most of it. In the top drop-down menu, hover over Build Career Skills. This menu offers a comprehensive range of resources, including creating a resume, cover letter, earning certifications, exploring internships, searching for jobs, preparing for an interview, negotiating an offer, and much more. Once you've chosen the career skill you want to develop, click on it. You'll be taken to a page packed with information and tools tailored to that specific skill. Each career skill page is designed to help you master the essential skills you need for success. Happy exploring! If you are a current online student or an alum, Career 360 empowers you to explore and navigate your own career development journey and achieve success. Students can access Career 360 directly through the Career Services website on Snhu. Bookmark our website at career360.snhu.edu.
Turn interview nerves into confidence and master every stage of the technical interview. Register to attend our Unlocking Success series, Navigating Your Technical Interview this month. This professional development workshop series, hosted by SNHU Career Services and SNHU STEM faculty and staff, is designed to help you master every stage of the technical interview process. Join us on December 8th. Coding challenges can feel intimidating, but they're also your opportunity to shine. In this hands-on session, SNHU Career Services and STEM faculty will walk you through proven techniques to approach technical questions calmly and confidently. Finally, join us on December 16th. Whiteboarding is more than just writing code. It's about showing how you think. This final session in the Unlocking Success series will help you refine your communication and collaboration skills during whiteboarding interviews. Whether you're preparing for your first technical interview or refining your skills for a new role, this series will help you communicate clearly, solve problems strategically, and show your best work. Register now.
Wireside Chat rings out the year by welcoming online MFA instructor and award-winning author Alessandro Di Francesco. Alex lives in Philadelphia, where they work as a pastry sous chef and adjunct writing professor. Join Alessandro at the Wireside Chat as we talk about gender bending and blending and the realities of building and sustaining a writing life. Click the link below to register now. Join Word for Word on Wednesday, December 10th at 8 p.m., where we proudly welcome award-winning horror master Paul Tremblay. His body of work is thrilling. His novel, The Cabin at the End of the World, was adapted into the Universal Pictures film, Knock at the Cabin. Paul will read from horror movie and answer questions from the audience. You don't want to miss this. Click on the link below to register now.
Join SNHU Career Services and the STEM academic team for Hour of Code 2025. This week-long virtual event is perfect for everyone, whether you're a coding expert or just beginning to learn coding. Kicking off the week on December 9th at 12 p.m. Eastern, you'll get to hear from employer and alumni experts in the field on the trending careers related to coding and computer science and how you can prepare and hone your skills. Throughout the rest of the week through December 12th, you'll get the chance to connect with SNHU staff and faculty and fellow peers and students, as well as other coders, during fun and interactive one-hour gaming sessions where you'll build important skills for the future. Register now to view the full schedule and sign up for as many sessions as you'd like. We'll see you there.
Leadership under pressure? You've got this. Join Chris Amijo for an inspiring session on resilient leadership, upholding health equity when the mandate shifts. From language access to community health, Chris has spent 25 years turning challenges into impact, and he's ready to share how you can do the same. Interested in public health careers with a real impact? Join us on December 3rd for an exciting session with Dr. Tani Obenson as he explores public health careers in uniformed services. Whether you're curious about working with the U.S. Public Health Service Commission Corps or serving within military branches of the Department of Defense, This session will break down career paths, required skills, and how your SNHU degree can help you get there. If you're passionate about service, health equity, or making a difference in communities across the country, you won't want to miss this event.
The new year is fast approaching, and December is a great time to skill up. Keep an eye out for the NACE Skill Up video series that will help you to prepare for your job search. SNHU Career and our employer partners from various companies touch on all the NACE competencies and why prospective employees like you should possess these skills in addition to your degree. Log on to Career 360 or click the link below to watch the video series now.
Enjoy the holiday season and recharge for the adventures of the new year. Exciting experiences await, and Career Services is here for you. Happy holidays from all of us at SNHU Career Services.
Now you're in the know. Now you're in the know. Now you're in the know.